So as the final part of your SAA project, after you've finished taking action, investigating, and planning, after you've done all of those earlier stages, you're going to do the reflecting stage of the project. And so you need to add reflections to your project in which you are just reflecting on the project as a whole. In these reflections, you should explain what skills you gained from the project. So are there any things that you can use? Are there any things that you learned how to do or got to practice doing that you can use in MYP or even beyond that? So these can be maybe video editing skills or public speaking skills, writing skills, whatever it was that you worked on. How can they help you? Identify what they are and how they can help you. You should also try to identify areas where you can still grow. So critique yourself. Or did you do a good job collaborating or raising awareness? Or were there some areas that you really struggled? Be sure to comment on that and identify areas where you can still personally grow. You should also explain why the activity was important. So this is where you can reference the ideas that you introduced in your investigating reflections, kind of circle back to those and explain how your activity really helped with the problem that you identified. You should also describe why you did or didn't meet your goal or aim. So in your proposal, you created a goal or aim for your project. So did you help others? Did you work together? Did you raise awareness? What did you do that helped those things? Or what did you do that maybe kept you from doing those things? Describe why you did or didn't meet that goal. You should also describe how the overall process of the project affected you. So think about what you learned during investigating, planning, and taking action. What did you learn about yourself, about how you work with others? What did you learn about maybe serving others and serving a community? Reflect on all of those lessons. Be sure that as you're finishing up all of your reflections that you've shown evidence of planning and organization, effort and commitment, active reflection, and personal development and achievements. So you need to really highlight all of those things in your reflections, make sure that they're there. You can also be actively using questions like these in each type of reflection, whether it's investigating, planning, taking action, or reflecting. In each stage, you could be using questions like these to help you practice your reflection skills and strengthen your ability to reflect on and share your own process of reflecting. So you should use these questions to help you and guide your reflections if you'd like to. These can really be helpful questions that help you look inward and reflect on what you're doing. As always, if you need any help, just reach out to me or Mr. Brad, and we're happy to answer any questions, but make sure that you've completed all of these reflections and uploaded all the proof for your project on ManageBack.